Hello, good morning, student. Hope you all are well. And we had completed 4 or 5 chapters, and today I am starting the new chapter, and the name of that chapter is factorization. And it is a very simple chapter. The number of chapter, this is factorization. Okay, Factoration, factorization. And I hope you will learn this chapter, and this is a very simple one, and the next chapter is based on the factorization. When you able to learn the concept of the factorization, so after that the upcoming chapters you can solve easily. So sir, first, what is the factor, what is the factorization? So for example, I am taking any simple number 2 multiply by 4, and you, as you know, that 2 multiply by 4 is 8. 2 multiply by 4 is 8. So here this 2 and 4 is equal to 8. So here we can say that 2 and 4 are the factor. 2 and 4 are the factor of 8. 2 and 4 are the factor of 8. It means, what is the definition of the factor? A number, for example 2, which divide completely the given number. When we divide the 8 by 2, the answer, reminder question is 4. It means when we divided the 8 by 2, that time question is 4 and remainder is equal to 0. It means if any number divide the given number, any another number, and when we will get a remainder as a 0, so that time we can say that number, which number, this divisor number, is the factor of the 8. Same here, next, 16 multiply by 2 is equal to 16 to the 32. Okay, so here also same, we can say that 16 and 2 are the factor of which number? Factor of 32. तो या एक और चीज दूसरे वे में क्या बोल सकते हैं, when we divided 32 by 16, तो that time the quotient is equal to 2 and remainder is equal to 0. It means when you will get the remainder as a 0 in the case of the division, so that divisor number, okay, जिससे डिवाइड करते हैं, that is known as the factor of that given number, but it is based on the numerical values. But we are dealing the algebraic questions, so how can we solve, how can we identify the factor in the case of the algebra? So same example, another example I am taking. If it is 2 multiply by x minus 4, 2 multiply x minus 4. So when you multiply 2 multiply with x minus 4, so 2 multiply by first with x, then after that 2 multiply with 4. The answer will be 2x and minus 2 4 ja 8. Okay, it is the same concept here. So here we can say that 2 and this x minus 4, this 2 and x minus 4 are the factor of 2x minus 8. 2 into x minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 8. So 2 and x minus 4 are the factor of 2x minus 8. या एक और तरीके से अगर हम लोग बोलना चाहे, और ऑप्शन, दूसरा ऑप्शन भी है, when we divided 2x minus 8 by 2, ये x minus 4, when we divided 2x minus 8 by 2, तो what will be the final answer? तो 2 इसको भी डिवाइड करेगा, इसको भी डिवाइड करेगा, तो कितना बचेगा? ये होगा सर आपका कितना? x minus 4. X minus 4. It means x minus 4 is final here, and remainder we will get 0. Remainder is 0. So we can say that the 2x minus 4, sorry, 2 is completely divided to 2x minus 8. So remainder is 0. So here 2 is the factor of 2x minus 8. इसका अपोजिट जस्ट ये भी चीज है. तो हम लोगों के पास जो गिवन है, that is given in this form. Okay, ये given form है. Next 2x multiply by x minus 2. So what will be answer? 2x multiply by x minus 2. So then first 2x multiply with x, so then this is 2x square. Now minus 2 and 2x into 2, 2 to the 4 into x, so 2x square minus 4. So same here we can say that x minus 2 is a factor of 2x square minus 4x. Same here, 2x is the factor of 2x square minus 4x. Okay, so these are the two factor x minus 2 and 2x minus 2. So now I am asking to you, what are the factors of 6? What are the factor of 6? You can write in the answer in comment section. It means factor is the number which divided the given number by complete. Okay, means we will get remainder as a 0. So what are the factor of the 6? So the factor of the 6, first 1 is the common factor. 1 is the factor of each and every number. Remember this thing on your mind. But we are this number, this is the based on the numbers, but in our syllabus we have given the factorization on basis of algebraic expression. So the factor of the 6, here also I explained the number which divided completely, and then we will get remainder 0. So first number 1, second number is 2, because 2 divided by 6, then answer is 3, remainder is 0. Next 3 also completely divided by 6, 3 also completely divided to 6, remainder is 0, and last one is 6. So these are the factor of the 6. These are the factor of the 6. तो एक और बेसिक चीजें इसको ध्यान से रखना. एक तो हो गया फैक्टर. The factor is a number which completely divided the given number. And the one more thing, it is not in our syllabus, but multiple. Okay, multiples भी सुनोगे आपने. तो what are the multiple of the 2? What are the multiple of the 2? तो यहाँ पे नहीं बोलेंगे multiple of 2 is only 1 and 2. जो नंबर इससे मल्टीप्लाई करो, 1 मल्टीप्लाई तो 2 multiply 2, then 4 multiply by 3. It means infinite multiple of the 2. Okay, but multiple हमारे syllabus में नहीं है. We have given here only the factorization. So next, how can you calculate the factor? या how can we identify या how can we find the factor of the given number? So one example I am taking here. Next example is 2x square minus 4x, and the question is write the factor of this expression. One another thing, 6, what are the factor? Write in the form of the multiple. Okay, इसको multiple में लिखो. तो multiple में क्या क्या लिख सकते हैं? 1 multiply by 6 we can write 2 multiply by 3 and 3 multiply by 2, it is the same. इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 3 multiply by 2. This also we can write 6 multiply 1, but both are the same, so we can take only these two values. So 6 we can break in the terms of the multiple. So similarly here we have to break the 2x square minus 4x in the form of the multiple, and these multiple value 1 and 6, I know you know what is the 1 into 6? It is the factor of 6. 2 into 3, this is also factor of 6. So same here, we have to break the given expression in the form of the multiples. Multiple के form में break करना है. तो first method is in our syllabus. There are 3 methods are given in our book. The first method one is taking common as a factor, taking out the common factor. This is the first method. Okay, first method, how can write the factor of the given expression? So by using the common factor, with the help of the common factor, which is the common one, we can take out. So what are the common number? So देखो sir, this is 2. Can we take the 2 as a common? Yes, 2 is common because 2, and this is 4. Common means we can divide the given number by that number. Okay, so 2 is common. तो this 2 is out. तो what is remaining? इसका मतलब यहाँ पे हम लोग 2 से divide कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे भी और यहाँ पे भी. तो 2 1 2, तो 1 is remaining, but 2 is outside the bracket. And here 4 divided by 2, so then 2 is remaining. So this is known as common. Okay. Next, what is the another number common? So one x is common out here. 2x, x square means x into x. So 2x and 1 is x. So we can x take as a common out. So what are the remaining term? The remaining number is 2x square. 2x, 2 is common, x is common. So 1. This is 2x into x. This is common out. So 1x is remaining here. So we can write here one single x. Minus. This x is also common out. We have taken the common out. तो 4 is remaining. अब 4 को मैंने 2 common out लिया, तो 4 को किससे divide किया? इसका मतलब 4x, and we have taken 2x is common out. तो x और x cancel, 2 2 जा 4. Common लेना आपको सबको आता है. तो x minus 2 is remaining here. So now we have written this thing 2x multiplied by x minus 2. जो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में एक्सप्लेन किया था. तो दिस थिंग वी कैन राइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 2x मल्टीप्लाई बाय x minus 2. तो दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द गिवन नंबर, एंड these two numbers 2x and x minus 2 both are the factor of 2x square minus 4x. So this is known as factorization, and this method, this is the 2x and x minus 2 is the factor, and this method to find the factor of the given number is known as factorization. Okay, hope you understand this thing. How can you find the factor? And remember this thing on your mind. When you calculate the factorization of any number, factor of the any number, to take out, first method is take out the common number. Take out the common number. Common जब निकल गया तो it means the numbers, remaining number are coming in the form of the multiple, और हम लोगों को multiple में बनाना है, तो multiple में जब बनेगा that is the common factor. यहाँ पे मैंने बहुत बार बता दिया, 6 we can write 1 by 6, 6 we can write 2 into 3. तो multiple in the, we are writing the given number in the terms of the multiple. So so this concept 2 and 3, 1 into 6, yeah, 2x into x minus 2 are the factor of given number. Next, second question, you can write your answer in the comment section. What will be the factor of this given number? 4x cube minus 4x cube minus 16x square. Please write your answer in the comment section. What will be the factor of 4x cube minus 16x square? 4x cube minus 16x square. What will be the factor of given number? Please write your answer in the comment section. 4x to x minus 4. Okay, very good, Ankit. Very good, 4x. Okay, very good, Ankit. Okay, so many answers are coming here. So just first of all identify which number we can take as a common. Identify and notice that which is the common number. So this is the first method, taking the common out, common factor. So 4 is the common, we can take the 4 as a common because 4 and this is 16. तो 4 को 4 से डिवाइड किया तो 1 बचेगा, 4 को 16 को 4 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 4 बचेगा, तो 4 is common out. Now this is x cube and this is x square. यहाँ पे कितने x हैं? x multiply x and here x multiply by x. So this is 3 and this is 2. Okay, so we can take the 2 as a common out. यहाँ भी 2 common ले लो, तो यहाँ पे कितना x बचेगा? Single x is remaining here. तो x square is common now. Okay, because 2x we are taking common out. So here 1x is remaining minus 4 we are taking common out. So this 16 divided by 4. This 16 divided by 4. तो कितना बचेगा? तो then 4 will remaining here because 4 into 4 it will be 16. And we have taken x square as a common out. This is common. So what is remaining? Nothing will common. Means 1 is remaining. So we can say that 1. इसकी जगह 1 तो 4 into 1 1. So this is the answer of this question. 4x square then x minus 4. 4x square and x minus 4. And if you want to identify, if you check your answer, you can multiply both number. So 4x square first 4x square multiply by x. So then 4x cube 9 minus 4x square multiply by 4. 4 4 just 16 x square. This is our given number 4x cube minus 16 x square. Okay, so hope you understand these things. How can we break the given number in the terms of the factor with the help of taking common factor. Okay, common factor की help से आप लोगों को solve करना है. So this is the first method when factorizing common factor. First method, common factor are always taken out first. So this first exercise number 4a, it whole exercise is completely based on the concept of taking common factor, taking out common factor. Common factor आपको बाहर लेना है. So then first question is a very simple one. So now the first is I am starting from the first 8x plus 16y. 8x plus 16y. So this is the very simple thing. Only the देखो 8 and x means 8 is the number and x is the any, क्या बोलेंगे x को? Variable. ध्यान रखना. This thing is known as constant. Constant means the value of the constant term it will always remain same. Means 8 को हमेशा 8 ही लिखोगे. 8 को कभी प्रियांशु पंचोला 16 नहीं लिखते. Okay, हाँ. Next x अब x को क्या वैल्यू हो सकती है, when you suppose that when you are solving your question answer, so that time we are supposing on your mind, yeah, when we are solving the question, that time we can take let x be the value, let a number is x. So what are the possible value of the x? X is any number, okay, the value of the x it will be any number. तो any number means, तो it means it is not constant, इसकी वैल्यू फिक्स नहीं है, तो so this word is known as variable. Variable and which number? To all the alphabetic number a b c d up to z which are using in the mathematics, these known as variable, and all are the numbers, these known as constant. So first variable, identify which variable is constant. Variable means x y z, तो x and this is y, nothing is common in the variables, x y में कोई common ही नहीं है, तो now what is the common? तो 8 और 16 ये common बन सकता है, this thing we can take as common out. So 8 1 जा 8 और 8 2 जा 16, तो 8 is common out, what is remaining here? तो this 8 is common out, तो x is remaining plus 8 2 जा 16, ऐसे देखना 8 common तो 8 2 जा 16 and y it is also same, so this is the answer 8x plus 2y. Okay, next question number third, 25xy minus 50y, 25xy minus 50y. तो same here, first of all identify which number is common, which variable is common. So you can check here, this y is coming here, y also coming here, it means y we can take common. Next numbers में check करो, in the constant this is 25 and this is 50, तो 25 भी common ले सकते हैं, तो 25 is common out, 25 is common out, so what is remaining here? अच्छा y also you can take common because y is coming in the first and also with second, so 25y is common out, so which number is remaining here? This y is remaining here, sorry x is remaining here, so x minus now 25, this 25 is common, तो 25 कितने टाइम्स होता है 50, तो 25 2 जा, how many times 25 is 50, तो 2 times. Yeah, you can divide the all number by 25. When you divide this number by 25, then it will be 1 and x minus 25, then it will be 50 to 2, then remaining is y is common, so only x minus 2 is remaining. And if you want to verify your answer, you can multiply the both number, so then this is 25 into y into x, so 25 xy minus 25y into 2, so minus 25 to the 50 into y. This is our question, it means our factorization is correct. Okay, means our answer, our solution is correct. Next one is question number 5 also we can take here, minus 121m minus 11m square, minus 121m minus 11m square. तो this is our question, इसको solve करो सर. तो देखो first of all identify which thing is common out, तो m and m, okay, here single m, here are the 2m, means power is 2m, so we can take 1m is common out, means which are the same. m square भी common नहीं लेना because here is m square but here m square not available, तो which is common मतलब those are present in the both part, that things we can take as a common out. तो देखो first 11 and this is 121, so we can take 11 because 121 is divisible by 11, so 11 is common out, minus is remaining, this minus and minus अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप में बताऊंगा. अच्छा, वन मोर थिंग, माइनस एंड माइनस आर द सेम, माइनस यू कैन टेक माइनस आल्सो कॉमन आउट हियर. So when you are taking the minus common out, it means I already told to you, if you are taking any number as a common out, it means we are dividing the given numbers by the same digit. Okay, उस चीज से हम लोग डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. तो देखो माइनस कॉमन लिया, साथ में क्या कॉमन लो, 11 भी कॉमन ले लो बिकॉज इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 11. नेक्स्ट m आल्सो कॉमन. अब एक चीज बताओ, यहाँ पे कितना बचेगा, 11 बचेगा बिकॉज 11 जा 121 and m is common, so nothing is remaining. Then after that 11 also common, m also common, here is the 2m means m square, so m square and m are common, तो इस m से ये cancel, तो 1m is remaining, so m is remaining. Now what can we do with the negative sign? Here I am taking the negative sign as a common out. Negative sign common out कहने का मतलब ये होगा minus 12m minus 11m square. If you are taking minus sign as a common out, तो minus हमने common ले लिया, तो माइनस जब कॉमन लिया तो अंदर माइनस की मल्टीप्लाई एक किस्म से होगी और ये माइनस माइनस क्या हो जाएंगे प्लस, बिकॉज वी आर टेकिंग द एक्स्ट्रा माइनस साइन, ये एक्स्ट्रा माइनस साइन है तो यहाँ पे माइनस का क्या हो जाएगा प्लस और ये भी माइनस क्या हो जाएगा प्लस। तो इस चीजों को ध्यान रखना थोड़ा सा, ठीक है। अगर आपके पास दिया बना है -2 माइनस m, तो इफ यू आर टेकिंग माइनस एज अ कॉमन आउट तो हाउ व्हाट विल बी रिमेनिंग, तो दिस विल बी 2 plus opposite sign will come in the bracket. When you are taking the negative sign as a common out, the opposite sign will come in the inside the bracket, so plus 2m. Next, if you have given minus 4m and plus 2, minus 4m plus 2, and if you want to take minus as a common out, अगर आपको minus common लेना है, if you are taking minus as a common out, तो minus common and I told you all the sign will reverse in the bracket. If you are taking minus is the common, अब ये है minus 4m plus 2, minus is common, तो all the sign inside the bracket it will be reverse. So this is minus, then it will be positive, okay, and this is plus, then it will be negative. So these are the basic things we can use in our exercise. ये सब चीजें आनी चाहिए, इनका हमने यूज करना है एक्सरसाइज में, okay. Next, तो what is the answer here? This is negative negative, ये positive, तो positive we cannot write here, but in the between the two number we can write the positive. So this is the answer, minus 11m, and in our answer sheet negative sign is inside the bracket, but there is no problem, it is also correct because this method we will use in upcoming questions, okay. वहां पे बहुत सारे जगह यूज आएगा. Next question number 20. Next question number 7. 7 is 24 x cube y minus 30 x square y. 24 x cube y minus 30 x square y. This is our question. First of all, identify which is common. देखो y and y is common, okay. We can out the y from the both numbers. Next, this is x cube and this is x square. Now how many x we can take common out? X to the power 2, because minimum, take a minimum number as a common out, maximum not that we can take common out, okay. Take a minimum power number as a common out because that is present in both sides. This is x square, here is x cube. So which number is mainly present in the both part? X square यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी है, एक extra x यहाँ पे बचेगा. And the 24 and 30, so which number we can take as a common out in the 24 and 30? So sir, the minimum number is maximum या minimum, it will be 6 4 the 24 and 6 5 the 30. After that कोई नंबर ऐसा कॉमन नहीं आ रहा, देखो 7 में भी नहीं है, कोई नहीं है ऐसा, तो व्हिच नंबर वी कैन टेक कॉमन आउट? तो 6 इज कॉमन आउट बिकॉज़ 24 एंड 30. नेक्स्ट x स्क्वायर इज कॉमन आउट एंड y आल्सो कॉमन आउट. अब नाउ देखो 24 में से 6 कॉमन लिया, मतलब 24 माइनस 6 नहीं होगा, 24 डिवाइड बाय 6, तो 24 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 मींस 4, तो 6 4 जा 24. नेक्स्ट x स्क्वायर इज कॉमन है, दिस इज x स्क्वायर इज कॉमन, हाउ मेनी x विल लेफ्ट हियर? 1 x विल लेफ्ट, तो x की पावर 1 x. y is we have taken y as a common, here also single y, तो y is n. Now minus in this bracket in the second part, this is 30x, तो 6 is common, तो 6 how much time the 5, तो it is 5, तो 6 5 means 5 बचेगा. Next x square is common, तो what will left? Nothing will left. Now 5 is common, 5 also, y also common, तो here also nothing left. So 6x square y and bracket 4x minus 5. Okay, so hope you understand these things and please watch the video carefully. Okay, then after that you will able to solve the upcoming exercise. And अगर आपको ये चीजें समझ में नहीं आई, ये बेसिक चीजें अगर समझ में नहीं आई, तो then you will unable to solve the question answer which are coming in our next exercise, because this is our son's question, means son means बेटा वाले क्वेश्चन, और आगे जो आएंगे वो सारे कौन से आएंगे? पापा क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट 9, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, 25a square b c cube, 25a square b c cube minus 35 ab square c cube plus 45 a cube b and c square. 25 a square b c cube minus 35 a b square c cube plus 45 a cube b and c square. It is just थोड़ा सा हार्ड है, ज्यादा नहीं है, हल्का सा, ठीक है। तो सर चेक इट व्हाट इज द कॉमन इन ऑल द नंबर्स, टेक एज अ कॉमन आउट, ओके। हर तीनों नंबर में लेना। तो देखो 25, 35, 45 all are the multiple of the 5, it means we can take 5 as a common, या मिनिमम नंबर, या कोई वैसा नंबर ले लो जो पूरा ही कॉमन आ रहा, बट 25, 35, 45 all are the different, तो we can not take 25 कॉमन, 35 भी कॉमन नहीं ले सकते हैं, 45, but we can write the minimum number as a maximum number as a common out. So sir, the maximum number is 5 because 5 is divided to 25, 5 also divided by 35, 45, so 5 is common, 5 is common. Next, identify the common in the variable a, b, c में common देखो, तो highest power of the a is a square, here is a, single a, and this is a cube, and I told to you we can take the minimum power number as a common because that is present. यहाँ पे तो a है, यहाँ a cube है और यहाँ square है, a into a, यहाँ single a और यहाँ 1 2 3, तो what is the common? Only this single a is common out ना, इसमें ये भी कॉमन, इसमें ये भी कॉमन। अगर आप बोले कि सर a स्क्वायर कॉमन आउट, बट a स्क्वायर इज नॉट प्रेजेंट हियर, तो सो वी विल नॉट टेक a स्क्वायर एज अ कॉमन आउट। a क्यूब इज कॉमन आउट, बट a क्यूब इज प्रेजेंट हियर, बट a क्यूब इज नॉट प्रेजेंट हियर, हियर आल्सो नॉट प्रेजेंट हियर। तो सो रिमेंबर दिस थिंग ऑन योर माइंड, इफ यू आर टेकिंग एनी नंबर एज अ कॉमन आउट, तो देन यू कैन टेक the variable, which minimum power, means minimum power variable we can take the common out. So a is the minimum power, so we can take which number? A as a common out, a as a common out. Next, b square and then b square and b, which number common take? Not a b square, only b, okay, b. Next, c cube c square, c cube c square, तो which is the minimum power? c square is common because c यहाँ भी present होगा c square, and c square also present here also present, so we can take c square as a common out. Now write the remaining things on the bracket. तो देखो this is 25, 5 is common, so how much time will be 25 with when we multiply it's 5, so 5 ja 25, 5 ja 25, a is common, one single a is remaining, b is common, तो b यहाँ single b, तो it is finished. c square common out, but it is c cube, so how many c will left? Single c will left. It means we are dividing the given number whole expression by the given this common out number. इन सबको किससे डिवाइड कर दो? इससे डिवाइड करो, तो वो बचेगा, ठीक है। पर नेक्स्ट माइनस, अब देखो 5 is common, तो how much time? 35 of the 5, तो 5 7 ja 35, ओके, ध्यान रखना इस चीज को, 5 7 ja 35, a is, this is a and a is common out, so a is, and b is common out, but is b square, so how many b will left? Single b will left. This is c square common out, c square, this is c cube, तो कितना c बचेगा? Single c will remaining here, plus 5 9 ja 45, 5, how much time it will be? 45, 5 9 ja 45, a is common, तो a cube is here, तो a बाहर निकल गया, तो कितने बचे? a square is remaining. One b is common, here also single b, so b is, and we will not able to write the b. c square is common, here also c square also common, then this is our answer. This is our final answer, 5ac minus 7bc plus 9a square. Okay, so I hope you are able to solve this type of the question easily. आप लोग इसको solve कर पाओगे. If one more thing, if there is any another number as a common, but identify it at the starting, but if there is any number is left at you, if you want to take the common, ले तो लिया, पर कुछ चीजें छूट गई, उसको भी बाद में कॉमन लेना पड़ेगा, ओके। तो होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग। अगर समझ में आ गया है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में यस और नो, ओके, एंड इफ यू आर राइटिंग द यस और नो, तो वी विल मोटिवेट हियर, ओके। Yes, Pratham Gosai. Okay, so many students are saying yes sir. Okay, so now you are able to solve the question answer are given in our book. Now I am taking the last one question, and then after that you will solve it. Okay, 15 I am taking 15. The 15 is x minus y whole to the power 6, x minus y whole to the power 6 plus y minus x whole to the power 5, y minus x whole to the power 5. So here we will use the concept of negative sign, minus as a common out. Here we will use the negative as a common out. So I already explained this thing in the previous question. So देखो sir, you will the one question arise on your mind, sir, this is x minus y, it is y minus x, nothing is common. No, nothing is not common. X minus y or y minus x we can take as a common out. Okay, this is x minus y and this is y minus x. So which number is common out here? Can you tell me? If you want to take this part as a same, दो तरीके से इसको solve कर सकते हैं. We can solve this question by two method. Okay, first, if you want to make this part as a same of first part, अगर दोनों पार्ट सेम होंगे तभी कॉमन लोगे. बट इट इज x माइनस वाई, दिस इज y माइनस एक्स. तो हमको इस वाले पार्ट को भी क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? एज फॉर्म ऑफ फर्स्ट पार्ट. तो इसको भी क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? x माइनस वाई. बट दिस इज y माइनस एक्स, y माइनस एक्स, एंड यू वांट टू राइट दिस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x माइनस वाई. तो हियर x इज पॉजिटिव, y इज नेगेटिव एंड जस्ट अपोजिट हियर. तो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव बनाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी कैन टेक नेगेटिव साइन एज कॉमन आउट फ्रॉम आवर सेल्फ. हम लोगों को अपने आप कॉमन लेना पड़ेगा. देन आई टोल्ड टू यू दैट sign in the bracket it will be reverse. Okay, so then y it will be negative and x this will be positive, and just arrange in the form of the first part. So then minus this is positive, so we can write first then minus y. So any problem? No sir. Okay, no problem you will face here. So then plus, then this is the highest power is 5. Highest power 5, तो इसको ऐसे ब्रैकेट में लिखना पहले. Minus then x minus y and then outside is power is 5. And you, as you know that if the negative number is coming, and its power is odd, 1 ले लो, तो what will be answer? Minus 3 multiply by only single time. If minus 3 its power is 3, it means minus 3 multiply minus 3 multiply minus 3. Then 27 minus plus and 1 minus is remaining. It means when the negative sign and its highest power is odd, तो साइन विल ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. यहाँ पे देख लो, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? ओपन द ब्रैकेट, तो x माइनस वाई होल टू द पावर 6 प्लस माइनस देन x माइनस वाई होल टू द पावर 5. आई टोल्ड टू यू नेगेटिव नंबर एंड साइन आउटर हाई पावर इज ऑड, तो साइन ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. अब चेक करो व्हाट इज द कॉमन. x माइनस वाई इज कॉमन. हाउ मच x माइनस वाई इज कॉमन? कितने x माइनस वाई कॉमन है? तो मिनिमम पावर, दिस इज 6 एंड दिस इज 5, तो वी कैन टेक x माइनस वाई होल टू द पावर 5 एज अ कॉमन आउट. ओके, तो x माइनस वाई होल टू द पावर 5 इज अ कॉमन. तो व्हाट विल बी रिमेनिंग हियर? 5 पावर मैंने कॉमन ले ली, कितनी पावर बचेगी? एक पावर बचेगी. इट मींस x माइनस y is remaining here. Now this whole part is common here. पूरा पार्ट बच कॉमन आ गया, मतलब पूरे पार्ट को मैंने डिवाइड कर दिया सेम नंबर से. कितना बचता है? 1 बचेगा ना, तो -1. तो दिस इज आवर आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. ओके, तो होप यू एबल टू सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. एंड नाउ दिस इज द टाइमिंग ऑफ द नेक्स्ट क्लास and we are ending our session, and tomorrow we will meet again. And thanks for watching this video, and please try to solve the remaining question because all are the very easy question, and tomorrow we will meet again with the next concept. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and like and subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of all the videos. उस पे 3 हो जाएगा अब